So now the joists are all done. And see, now I'm going to do the rim joist. To do this, I put a string there, and I put a mark there, right where the string is touching. That's the area I'm going to cut. So I cut the joist to the right size. Now this is the rim joist. I'm going to put it right across. I put this little bracket over here. It's like an extra supporting hand, so it's going to rest it. I'm going to put this rim joist right on that, so it's lined up here. So this gives me, this 3 extra supporting bracket gives me the extra hand.